Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back again to Crypto Mall, and today we are going to be doing a recap of our analysis, the one we had on Sunday. Like I told you, I'm too big on forex market recently, and I just want to be throwing this out here for the benefit of as many people that would love to take advantage of it. So I'll be showing the market I went to this just concluded week. Today's Friday. Market is closing today, and I just want to show you all the market I entered. I showed you what I was looking for on Sunday, and here are the market I entered. So BTC, I didn't show us BTC last week, but I saw an opportunity, I think on Thursday or so, right? And I picked this trade, though we didn't analyze BTC in my previous record. Meanwhile, you need to check the analysis I did on Sunday and how I showed you all that I'm looking for this week, right? This is the result and this is the play out of it. Meanwhile, BTC was not there, so I saw this sweet opportunity for BTC here, and I took it, right? I won't go further into it because we didn't discuss it earlier. And so the next one was USD CHF, right? USD CHF was here last week before market opened, right? And I was expecting to come here and then move up, but it came here. I didn't get my entry signal from here to move up, which is I was expecting a morning star or shooting or engulfing bar to reject from here, and then we start going up. So I did not enter. Now I was expecting it to get here again and bounce back and then start going up, right? And obviously we did that, right? We got here and I got a good signal, a shift in structure, and I waited for the retest, right, so that I can enter it. But unfortunately it was a fake out, right? And if I had taken profit on time, I probably will have taken advantage of this, right? But I think I broke even on this after it has moved this long, and then before it then hit the stop loss here. And since then I've not had any opportunity to enter the market on USD CHF, right, this past week. The next one was my favorite pair for the week, right? This was on Tuesday, I think, right? I told you guys that okay, market opened here, right? I told you I was expecting this to come here and then retest before we then start going up, right? And exactly what we did. No, I think market was here already. I can't really remember. Okay, yeah, market was here because of this gap. That was why where the market opened from, right? So we were here, and I said I could have entered this market if the market was on already, because we had already rejected this place and we are retesting around here. So if I get a bullish engulfing bar, I will enter, but I did not enter, right, because the market was not open, right? And market opened and we had this sweep down and it came back up, right, and retested again. So once it retested and I saw this bullish engulfing bar here, look at it, and I saw this massive movement up with the change, with the shift in structure and all, I just entered the position here, and this was the fastest trade I got. I just woke up to see that it has taken profit. Like you see here, this is the risk reward is 1 to 3, 1:3 risk reward, and I was expecting it after it came, it did this, right? I was expecting the market to come here just like it came here, and then for the market to start going back, right? So it retested and then went like this. So I was not on my chart here. If not, I probably would have taken this and it will have given me a loss, right? Because as you see, it went straight to stop loss if I had taken here, but I was not on the chart, I was not observant, so I think it was my luck that got this. So immediately I saw that it has broken under this, I was expecting it to come here and then reject back up, but unfortunately it did not. not until today that I saw this opportunity. I just saw a shift in structure in the 30 minutes time frame, right? Look at it. The 30 minutes time frame shifted structure right here, and then I saw the big opportunity here and I took it. This is just 1 to 3 risk reward ratio 2, right? A bigger lot size than the previous one I did. So this is my best pair because it gave me 2 1:3 reward this week, and that's absolutely slick and sweet. USD JPY, I tried my best to get an entry earlier in the week, right? Because what we were expecting last week was, because the market opened here, what we were expecting last week was for it to reject here and start moving up. But unfortunately, it did not reject here. We didn't get his confirmation that it's going to reject here. Instead, it broke under and it never went above it again. So a sign that this is a no-go area. Since it broke that structure, I reanalyzed again and I saw that it's now on a downward trend. And just yesterday, I picked this particular trade, and here we are now. Market is closing already, but I am out of this trade because I don't want the market to close on me, right? I don't want to go through that stress of having to monitor early market in the next week, right? Because now why I entered this trade was because I saw a head and shoulder. See the head, left shoulder, right shoulder here, and then the market broke, right? I was expecting a retest to add more position, but it didn't give me a retest, right? And so we just rode it and took profit. I'm out of this trade already, though it still has potential next week by God's grace, because this has a massive move downward. Let's go to the daily time frame so that I can show you how massive the potential is, right? So that you can see for yourself how massive the potential is. This might probably be one of our top peers next week on Sunday by God's grace. So let me show you. You see the massive opportunity we still have to move downwards, right? So that is it for Euro JPY. I told you I was on the trade last week and it was almost what's it called, and the market opened on me. As it opened on me, it did this, it went back, and then at the end of the day went to take profit, right? And since then I didn't get, I actually forgot about it. After taking profit, I didn't bother to check it. I was checking it and I was seeing the move, so I said it has gone for the week, right? And gold almost show us shiggy, right? But at least we still took good advantage of it. This one was a sweet move. Remember I said what we were expecting was for a retest, it to touch here and then start moving. This was the line we drew the other time, but unfortunately the move happened so fast I was unable to catch it. It happened like this V. I think in day 1 of the week, like on Monday or so, this happened, went like this, and came down like this. It was so fast, and it came here again. I was not with my chart, went down like this. When I saw this move, I just jumped and entered it, and it gave us a risk reward of what was that, 1:2, right? We got 1:2 from here, right? And another one, I saw another opportunity after taking profit from there. It went back because it went back here, and I saw a head and shoulder again, a sign that it will be coming down. You see this head, shoulder, right? And it broke and retested a little, and I sold. But unfortunately it didn't hit my TP, came back to entry, came back like this again, and then hit stop loss, right? And that was sad, but I didn't take it too hard because it almost hit my TP. If I knew, I would have taken it out from here. And then we saw another opportunity this afternoon, on Friday afternoon, right? We saw this again, double top again, more like a head and shoulder pattern, the same thing again. And I actually put high lot size, right? minimize my risk and then give it a shot. Now at the moment I have a sweet profit on this particular trade, but I am out of it because I don't want the trade to close me out, the market to close me out on the trade. I am out of this trade at the moment, except for one of my accounts that is still on the trade. The market closed there before I could close it out, right? It's still a sweet trade, right? Because we are still bearish. Look at the daily time frame. We are still massively bearish on this. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. We are still bearish on this. Like, I will still analyze on Sunday by God's grace, so you will see our top pairs, right? And US 30, the last one for the week, I did not look at it again. What we were expecting was the market did this, so we were expecting it to retest here or retest around here and give us a good signal for us to buy, but unfortunately it just kept on flying and flying and flying, so I forgot it for the week, ladies and gentlemen. So that's all for the week, and I think in total we had like how many trades in profit, like 5 or 6 with 3 stop loss, and the 5-6 trade had the minimum was 1 to 2 risk reward, and I think that was a cool trade, right? Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, see you on Sunday by God's grace, when I'll be showing you again the next pair for next week by the grace of God. Till then, say bye bye, peace.